The Football Association of Wales is facing criticism over the inability for fans to personalise the Women's Euro 2025 away shirts with names and numbers. Adidas released the mint green kit for Wales's historic debut at a major women's tournament, but fans were left frustrated when they discovered the option to add a player's name, standard for men's kits, was not available. One current squad member told The Telegraph it was extremely disappointing that such a milestone moment visibly was still being denied. We've said for years visibility is key, she added. It's impossible to be in this history-making moment and actively choose against it. The issue has also affected fans directly. One mother looking to customise a shirt for her daughter was left disheartened after being told it wasn't possible at JD Sports, the FAW's official retail partner. The FAW says it's working with both JD and Adidas to resolve the issue ahead of the tournament and emphasised it wants every fan to have the opportunity to personalise their shirts. JD meanwhile confirmed that personalisation is available on the home shirt and they are awaiting an update on the away version. The timing of this row is particularly unfortunate given the broader rise of women's football in Wales. The senior team's Euro qualification has already inspired record attendances and a 45% rise in female participation at a grassroots level. Investment in coaching, infrastructure and visibility has helped grow the sport rapidly, and Euro 2025 is seen as a breakthrough moment for the women's game across the nation.
We're fighting for shirts, we're fighting to be in that squad, which is just increasing the training as well and the intensity in training. So it's really good. We're in a very good place at the minute.
Wales begin their Group D campaign on July 5th against the Netherlands before facing France and then rivals England. But for this momentum to truly matter, both players and fans must feel seen.